So a little shift in the direction today. I worked on the drive shaft and got a lot of it cleaned up. It looks really good. A few rusty spots. So I have to wind up doing some converting. I got to change the U-joints, which they're over here. On both ends. Got the new ones. We went through the unboxing. So all in all, it's in really good shape. I also found some numbers on it, and they were on here. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like it was 15824X. Of course, I'm upside down. Go with that. You can barely see the 15. I have no idea what that means, so if anybody knows, please let me know. So also I had a question about the drive shaft. If I take this collar off, the whole end will slide off. And I didn't know if I need to mark that so I can put it back in the same position, or if it's splined a specific way so I don't have to worry about that. So if you know, let me know before I take it apart. Not sure if you can see that, but I think those needle bearings should have buffed out. So the total pain in the butt. These have a metal collar on the inside, which won't allow them to go into the holes. So I guess I'm gonna have to cut those off. Yep, the things we learn. So that was what was on the inside, not allowing it to go into the hole. Crazy. So one more look. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a metal ring on the inside. And that thing was a little bit bigger diameter than the hole in the actual axle for the cap. So when it came down to pushing this back and forth to one side or the other to get it out, it wouldn't. I had to rip two of these cap covers off. I don't know how they got them in there to start with, but mystery of the day. Well, there you go. The parts are ready to get painted. I did tape on the inside, probably a little overkill there. This right here is the new lock washer cork seal, which will go right on there. Picked up a new one of those. So it took a long time to get to this point, had some difficulties taking things apart. So I hit it with a second coat of rust conversion because I don't like the way it looked. So tomorrow is prime, and then 24 hours after that will be paint. Then I can try and figure out how to get the universal joints back in and reassembled. And a little teaser video. This is going to be my workaround for the inner axle seal to take it out. I found online a kit, but it was about $100. I said no. I had the little hook pick one, but it just ain't pulling it out. So more to come on this, and we should be able to get this back together real soon after I get those seals out and back in.